Hey loves, you're welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Keller and you're welcome back to my channel. Yeah guys, so if you're new here, this is the first time you're seeing my face, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, God bless you. I love you guys so much. That's a special kiss for you guys. So like you guys already know from the title, we're making healthy pancakes for those of us in the or department, you know yourself. So making healthy pancakes, and I just came on here to show you guys my face before I get a report that my channel has been hijacked by one cook raving mad. My channel has not been hijacked. It's still me behind the scenes and everything. You guys can still hear my voice. Yes, and thank you guys so much for all the views. I see you guys. Thank you so much. The comments, keep it coming. I really want to interact more with you guys. I want to get to know all of you, all my subscribers. Yes, individually. Yeah, I know you by your names, you know. That's some depth into friendship. Anyway guys, so with no further ado, let's go into the tutorial. Okay, just to let you guys know what I have on, I just did my brows and sculpted them. Then I had an eyeliner. I applied my moisturizer. Okay, I first of all applied a setting spray, then a moisturizer, then I just put a little bit of highlighter, but it's not gonna show. Okay, and then the sun is so harsh, but it looks so beautiful. Yes, then I applied my powder from Nuban Beauty. That is the best powder, guys. That's like the best investment I made in 2021 at the makeup fair. I got both the foundation and the powder, and each time, you know, I have that combo on. People always asking me, what foundation did you use? What powder did you use? Oh, I love your bit. And you see, the thing with this Nubian Beauty, like, you know, when people say it, you don't really understand until you have it on your face. Like they say, in your skin. Their products, as in, basically melt into, like they melt on your skin. Let me not say melt into your skin so you don't feel bad, but like it melts on your skin and like it glides so well. Like after application, just give it a time, just give it like roughly 10 minutes and it melts, like it sits so perfect. Anyway, enough of rambling, but I needed to tell you guys that I'm still into the makeup game. Yes, and I just have a lip liner, a nude lip, then I apply some gloss on that. And I think the sun is a bit harsh. The sun is harsh. Okay, so let's go into the video, guys. I love you. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, like, share, turn on the bell notification so you don't miss whenever I make a post. Alright guys, okay, I'll be starting off by running you guys through the ingredients. So first off is the oat. This is not actually the brand in this container, but I can't remember the name, but this is whole oats, and this brand I'm using, I don't like it, so that's why I've been looking for what to convert it to. So I decided to make it into oatflour. So I have 2 eggs, sugar, and 2 sachets of pig milk. So I'll be blending in my oats with my dry mill of my blender set. So I'm just filling it up, and then I'll put it in the dry mill and then blend it away. Yeah guys, so while that was blending, I went ahead to wash and prep my mixing bowl for this recipe. Yeah, so, and then my spoons, and brought out some other ingredients like cinnamon and salt, which are not on this table. So my oats is done grinding, and yeah, that's, you guys are gonna see the texture in a minute. Yeah, so we just converted oats to oat flour. So in a mixing bowl, I'm going to add 1 sachet of milk, and 4 spoonfuls of this oat flour that we just made. Easy, right? I know. So just like our bakers will always say, I have a sister who's a baker, so I mix all my dry ingredients together before I incorporate the wet ingredients. So to that I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of sugar, yeah, and then I will also mix that in. Then to that I'll be adding a pinch of salt and some cinnamon for taste. Yeah, so that's the salt and then cinnamon, just a little bit of it, just to give me something interesting. And then I give that a quick mix, and then I make a well in the middle so I can break in my eggs. Please, if you're going to do this, break your eggs in separate places. Please don't be like me. Don't be like me. It's overconfidence that is killing me. That's why I decided to do it like this. Overconfidence. Please don't do this so you don't eat shells in your pancakes. Okay, so at that I'll mix this up. You could actually mix your milk with water before um adding it, but I didn't do that because I want to be sure of the quantity of water I'll be adding to this mix, since this is a first time recipe. Yes, and I'm trying it out, so I wanted to give you guys accurate measurements. So I started mixing with the eggs and I noticed that it was a bit thick, so I added some water. And while turning, I don't want a watery consistency, but I want a runny consistency. I don't know if you guys understand me on that, but you guys will see what I mean in a bit. So I gave it a quick mix, and oat actually soaks up water. You can see it's just dropping, and that's not the consistency I want. So I added a little more water to that, and then I arrived at the consistency that I have. So in total I would say that I used about 1/4 cup of water. Please don't go and pour the entire 1/4 cup of water into your mix. Just add in gradually, and our batter is ready. It's been a long time I said batter. Oh, I miss my sister. So on low heat I put up a non-stick pan, and then I added some vegetable oil, groundnut oil, whatever oil, coconut oil, canola oil, whatever oil you want to use. So I heat that up. It's on low heat, and then it simmered down. Then I swirl the pan so that all the oil can cover the pan. Then I poured in my mix, and I'm going to cover this up to cook for about 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes I'm going to check it, and you can see the top color has changed, meaning that it's cooking beautifully. So I flipped it to the other side so the other side can cook as well, and I covered it for another 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes our pancake is ready. See the shape now, wow. So I'll be doing that for the rest of the batter. Yeah guys, so here we're done, and I'm drizzling some honey, for extra sweetness, since I didn't put as much sugar as I should. And then I'll be having this with a cup of Nescafe, and then I added the remaining milk. So we're back, and I know you guys enjoyed it. So I promised you that the next post coming up on this channel is going to be a makeup tutorial. I'm thinking of giving you guys a 5-10 minutes bit, something like this, something amazing that you can go to work with and still look really good. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I love you. Please watch my other videos, share the love, please. I love you guys. Mwah. Bye guys.